Hello everyone, this is Schluter waterproofing system, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown. Grab your QWERTY band, make your marks, and pre-cut everything. You're going to need two corners for that. Grab your level, strike a line from the base all the way to the ceiling. Strike 40 inches from the base and do a horizontal strike all the way through and through. Make sure it's level, by the way. Just like that. Grab your tape, make your measurements for your QWERTY, and pre-cut everything. That's my QWERTY trowel, and that's my margin trowel. Start mucking glue down, cement, and install your QWERTY band in your two corners. Just like that. Start mucking the wall and start installing your QWERTY, and make sure that you get your bubbles. I start on the lines, horizontal and vertical, and I start doing my trowel to get the bubbles out. Mark another 40 inches, do the same process through and through. Just like that, everyone. Grab your QWERTY band, start mucking up the corners, and just seal everything up. If you want to see the quick rundown, please stop by my channel. And I'm just going to put waterproof this. Thank you, everyone.